Okay, so to remove the two top video cards in the drive cage, you'll start by removing these two screws here.
Make sure those drive bays are empty first.
Yes, yeah, if there's drives in these, you're gonna need to disconnect them on the back side. And then once these top two screws are out, this electrical bundle you're gonna wanna bend off to the side a little bit so the the drive cage clears. Just grab by the two trays in the middle and pull straight out, and this will come out entirely. And then on the GPUs, you're gonna have a row of thumb screws all the way down. You're gonna take out the top four. And then on the power connectors, on the underside, there's going to be two little locking tabs, one underneath each connector. Squeeze them together and then pull out at the same time. Those are the little tabs you're looking for. Do that to both top cards and kind of just bend them out of the way. And then right in here, you have to look for it. There's a little locking tab that holds the video card in place. You're going to push that down and then wiggle the video card out. Here's a little bit better view of that connector. There's this guy right here, and it bends down like that. And you can use your hands on the second one. Just push the tab down and wiggle the card out. And then when you go to put in your 10 gig card, make sure to use the third slot down and then reinstall the top video card in the very most top slot. And make sure your power is connected back up to the video card or it won't post.